everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another night with another unboxing. As you can see in the headline, this is the Air Jordan 6 Denim, or washed denim as some call them. And I just want to start off with saying that I don't like these shoes, not at all. I think they are very boring, and since they are still available almost everywhere, available on sale, I got these from Soul Story on sale with a discount code. So I paid, the retail here in Sweden were $220 and I paid like 140 something dollars. So that's a nice price, Soul Story. Thanks for that. And the reason why I bought them is because a friend of mine, Kalle in Stockholm, he bleached them and that looked good. So I got some plans for them. Once again, more socks. The Jordan socks are great. Let's talk about the socks a bit. People think that you get warm and thick socks. I think otherwise. The thick socks suck the moist out of your feet, and they're just great, these socks. So if you haven't tried the Jordan socks yet, do that. So the shoes. These were released late December last year, like 28th or something, just before New Year's Eve. And we knew that they were coming. So since the Air Jordan 4 that I did with Levi's were such a hit, all three of them were super great. And I really wanted the white ones, but I didn't get them. And then they did a Nike ID that is now called I don't know what they call it nowadays. But and that was so annoying that they did a limited run every day on the Nike ID thing with the Levi's Air Force One. I wanted a pair of high Air Force One with the Levi's denim thing. And in the Nike ID you could choose between different colors, scuffed or not, etc, etc. But I didn't get any of them, and I was super annoyed about that. And I didn't get any of the denim Jordan 4s. I wanted the white one for myself. I tried to get the washed denim ones for a couple of guys in retail game, and I didn't get any of them. So we were kind of hyped to get these, but then Jordan brand released these without Levi's, which shouldn't matter actually because it's just denim. But these are super boring. Smells different, but I sort of like them. I like denim. I like the leather patch, just like you have on the Levi's jeans, the tag. But I'm gonna show you a picture of what Kalle did, and probably a lot of other people do. They bleach the dark part to look like the stone washed part. But I think now that might be too bright for the shoe. I think you are losing the denim part, because I still want them to look at a denim pair of shoes. And if I bleach the dark part to look like the stonewash part, I think they're gonna be too bright. And I don't really don't want to look like your Canadian suit with jeans, denim shoes and denim jeans pants and denim jacket and denim shirt, and I really don't want to look like that. So my initial thought why I bought them was because Kalle did a great job with bleaching his, and I was thinking of doing the same thing. Now I'm thinking maybe I should just scuff them with sandpaper to get that stone washed look, or maybe I'm just gonna beat them myself, wear them as a daily for a while. So I actually like them a little bit more than I thought I would. I still wouldn't pay full retail, so I'm happy that I got them for the sale price with the extra discount. But they could have made them better. Uh, the leather patch is a um, great thing. Without that, the shoe would be a lot more boring. So I really like that. The red lace lock could be another color, or otherwise the black Jumpman in the heel could be red as well, maybe. I haven't worn a pair of Levi's jeans for a long time, and yes, I know these are not Levi's, but still, come on, you dropped the Levi's Air Jordan 4 like just a couple of months before these. So I don't know why these are not a Levi's collaboration. And I haven't had the Levi's collaboration in my hand, so I don't know about the denim in these, on those, but they look a bit thicker, more denim. This is just soft fabric. I'm gonna check some pictures and see what they look like, because I think people have done a lot of custom things with these. I would like to have them in white, like the Jordan 4 white denim. I would like to have them like that. And then it would be nice with white denim and red sole. Yeah, so I got some thoughts about them. What do you think? Uh, what do you think about the shoe like this? What would you do with them? Uh, I'm gonna show you the bleach ones. Do you like that? Do you think they will look good with scuffed, with sandpaper, fake scuffed, like stonewashed jeans? Or should I just beat them? Or I don't know. What do you think? I'm pretty sure that they are true to size. If they are not, I will update the video. But I'm pretty sure they're true to size. Air Jordan 6 shouldn't be any problem. But since it's a different kind of material, maybe they are different. I'm gonna try them on, but I'm not gonna show you that. I'm not gonna waste your time more than I need to. If they are not true to size, I will tell you. Yeah, they could have done them a lot better, and I'm not the only one that thinks this, because they are, as I said, they are available everywhere. The resale price is what I paid at Soul Story, around $130 resale. Some sizes $290, $300, but the rare sizes. So if you want them to do something custom or used to have them, they are available everywhere. And if they're not on sale at the moment, they're gonna be on sale. So yeah, I hope my beard haven't disturbed the mic. Let me know what you think. They changed my mind a bit, actually. I think that they're gonna look good on foot. I think that people are gonna like them, but I'm just a bit afraid to have 4 different kind of denim, because I use a denim jacket sometimes when it's cold outside. I would like to have a lighter summer denim jacket. I usually wear very dark denim pants, and then we have 2 different color denim on the shoes. That's a bit much. That's a bit much. But thanks for watching. It's been a while since I did a sneaker unboxing, and that's one of the reasons why I bought these, because there wasn't anything else to buy and anything else to do an unboxing video of. So I hope you watch the video and share me with your thoughts what you would do with them. Thanks for watching. Good night.